Today I've got this car, and I don't like it. One, it's a Mustang, and I don't like Ford Mustangs. And two, it has blue windows. So today I'm going to try to destroy it. Right now, I've got it in this vise, and I'm just gonna smash the back end. So after doing that, this is what we've got. It's a bit dented right there, but not too bad. So, I'm just gonna throw this everywhere basically and see what it does. Okay, so wow, that actually damaged it pretty bad. It's not built very well, I guess. Yeah, that just caved in the roof. That scratched it pretty bad on the hood, I guess, but, not that bad. Let's try some more. Yeah, the hood seems to be basically invincible, actually. Oh, wow. Hood's invincible. Now I'm going to actually set fire to this. So now we've wrapped it in paper, and we're setting that paper on fire to see if we can set the car on fire. Well, there you have it. That is how you destroy a toy car, I guess.